Accessories overview. Carefully tear off the protective film on the acrylic board. Insert the two small boards into the two big boards. Pay attention to the direction of the small balls. Press the two small balls down and snap into the chute. Carefully tear off the protective film on the acrylic board. Put on the back plate. Push the back plate up to snap into the chute. Put on the base. Align the 4 holes and screw in the screws. Install the top cover. Align the 4 holes and screw on the screws.